Are you tired of carrying the burden of debt and wondering how you can pay it off faster? You're not alone. The journey to becoming debt-free can feel overwhelming. But in 2026, there are smarter, more efficient ways to speed up the process. With the help of modern tools, simple strategies, and a little bit of motivation, you can tackle your debt head-on and start building a brighter financial future. In this video, I'll share 5 simple yet powerful steps that can help you pay off your debt faster than you ever imagined. Let's dive in. 1. Switch to bi-weekly payments. One of the most effective ways to pay off your debt faster without drastically altering your budget is to switch to bi-weekly payments. Instead of making one large monthly payment, pay half of your monthly debt payment every 2 weeks. This method works because over the course of the year, you'll make 26 half payments, which equals 13 full payments annually, one more full payment than you would with a monthly payment plan. This means you're essentially knocking out one entire extra month of debt each year without feeling the strain on your finances. 2. Gamify your progress with specialized apps. Paying off debt can often feel like a never-ending struggle, but by gamifying the process, you can make it more engaging and rewarding. Apps like Habitica and Fortune City allow you to turn your debt repayment into a game where you earn rewards and points for hitting your financial goals. Imagine your debt as a boss that you need to defeat or a city that you need to build. By achieving milestones, you unlock new rewards and progress. This gamification adds a fun, competitive element to your journey, which can make it easier to stay motivated, especially when the road to debt freedom feels long. By turning the process into a game, you get a small, instant dopamine hit each time you complete a goal, making the long-term nature of debt repayment much more rewarding. Plus, the sense of accomplishment will keep you motivated to keep going, even during the more challenging moments. 3. Activate AI debt optimization. In today's tech-driven world, you don't have to manually decide where to put your extra money toward paying off debt. Modern tools like Bright Money and Rocket Money use artificial intelligence to automatically analyze your spending habits and move any found money toward your highest interest debt. Found money could be any extra savings from budgeting, refunds, or even spare change that accumulates over time. AI tools take the guesswork out of your repayment strategy by using algorithms to determine the best use for your funds. Rather than deciding manually, the AI optimizes your payments by sending any surplus toward your most expensive debts. This reduces the amount of interest you pay and accelerates the time it takes to pay off your debt. The best part is that it removes decision fatigue from the equation, making it easy for you to stay on top of your finances without the added stress. 4. The debt-free date strategy. One of the most motivating ways to accelerate your debt repayment is to set a clear end goal. The debt-free date strategy involves using a specialized tool, like the Debt Payoff Planner, to calculate exactly when you'll be debt-free. By entering your balances, interest rates, and current payments into the tool, you get an exact date on which you can expect to pay off your debt. This psychological shift can make a huge difference in how motivated you feel to stick to your plan. Instead of the vague idea of someday being debt-free, you have a firm date to work toward, which can help keep you focused and on track. This strategy brings clarity and helps you stay determined throughout the process. 5. Renegotiate with AI-assisted services. One of the easiest ways to pay off your debt faster is by reducing the interest rates on your loans. High interest rates can make it feel like you're barely making any progress. But by using AI-assisted services like Rocket Money or Cushion, you can renegotiate better terms on your debt. These services automatically reach out to your creditors to request lower interest rates or even waive certain fees on your behalf. Rather than spending hours on hold or negotiating yourself, AI services handle the heavy lifting for you. These tools leverage technology to negotiate on your behalf, making it easier to secure lower rates and ultimately pay off your debt faster. And there you have it, the top 5 simple steps to pay off debt faster in 2026. By switching to bi-weekly payments, gamifying your progress, using AI-powered tools, setting a concrete debt-free date, and renegotiating with AI assistance, you can take control of your financial future and become debt-free faster than ever before. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. I'll see you in the next video.